On today's episode, we will be trying another Caribbean dish. This is the Trinidadian chicken pelau, and I should have posted it from Saturday, but I got busy with all the baking and stuff. So here we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to How We Rose Cook. If it's your first time here, my name is Marceline. Welcome, and I'm happy to have you. For those who have been here with me, thank you for sticking and staying, and I appreciate your love and support. Stay tuned for yet another amazing recipe. Here I have my chicken already cleaned and rinsed. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my Trini green seasoning, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some adobo. I also have another herb seasoning that I'm gonna be using as well. Just go ahead and season to your preference. After combining my seasoning, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to set my chicken to marinate until I am ready to cook. I am so excited to try all these different countries' recipes, and I am so anticipating to see what I will try next. I'm not sure, but stay tuned and keep on watching. So now that I'm ready to cook, the next process is burning the sugar. We're going to add a little oil to the pot, and this is something that I'm used to in Jamaica. When we run out of browning, this is what we normally do, but you have to be very careful. You want to make sure that your stove is on low to medium heat, and you want to distribute the sugar. So you're going to sprinkle it all over the pot so that it can brown evenly. All right, otherwise some parts will burn before some of the sugar is dissolved, and you don't want that. By the way, when I say this is what we do when we run out of browning, I'm speaking on behalf of myself and my family. Not everyone in Jamaica may do this. All right, as you can see, I'm stirring constantly, and I keep my stove on the same temperature until my sugar becomes foamy, and this is what you're looking for. At this point, you want to go ahead and add your chicken, and you want to stir the chicken in the brown sugar so that it can absorb and take the color of the sugar. All right, so we're going to stir it up for about a minute or two, and I'm just simply searing the chicken in the brown sugar. We're not adding any water. So the next step is we're going to cover down this and allow it to produce its own liquid. So we're going to give it about 15 minutes to cook in its own liquid without adding any water. All right, just cover it down and allow it to continue cooking for another 15 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and rinse our rice. I have 2 cups of parboiled rice. We need the rice to take the color of the sauce from the chicken. So we're going to go ahead and add the rice in the pot as well. This is a 1-pot meal. If I didn't, I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but for those who are not Trinidadian and you're watching this video, this is a 1-pot meal. So everything is going to go in, and the flavor is so amazing. So we're going to stir in the rice and allow it to take the color of the sauce, and then we're going to add all of the spices. As I've mentioned earlier, we need the rice to get the color of the chicken, so we're going to cover it down for about a minute, and then we're going to come back and add our veggies. So we're going to add 1 can of pigeon peas, or as we call it in Jamaica, gungo peas, and I'm using the dry one. All right, and then we're going to add some chopped carrots and pumpkin, and I have here a lovely Scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add that as well. You can pierce the pepper to release some flavor, but there's so much flavor in the green seasoning, you don't need to do that unless you are really a pepper person. So I have some fresh coconut milk that I just extracted, and I added 2.5 cups to that. Next, I'm going to add bay leaf. I'm going to add thyme, and we're going to add a little black pepper and salt, and we need to also add some shad and benny, also known as culantro, and I have that in the green seasoning, so I just add a little of the green seasoning in there, and I'm going to stir it up, taste it to ensure that this has the flavor that I am looking for. All right, next we're going to cover it down and allow it to steam. So after my rice was steamed, I went ahead and I add about a tablespoon of butter in there. This will give the rice some sheen, and it will also add a little extra flavor in the rice. At this point, you can also go ahead and remove your pepper because you don't want it to burst. Not everyone can stand the heat. So you can go ahead and remove that, and you can serve up your rice. I served mine with some coleslaw, fried plantains, and cucumber, and it was good. It was so delicious. It's full of flavor. So far, I am enjoying these recipes. Last week I tried the dirigeon, also known as Haitian black rice, and it was so good. I can still taste it in my mouth, and I did enjoy this Trinidadian rice as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching my video. I know I've been so consumed with baking, but I should be going back to my regular videos next week, and I may do some live streams as well. I haven't done any in a while. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video, and stay tuned for many more amazing recipes. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about that video. All right, bye now.